This brand is made in China for Wolf Steel Limited and is available in North America through their dealer network, but they are only backed by an average guarantee. The Cineview models are built-in portrait-style fireplaces that are available in either 26 or 30-inch sizes. They have an eco mode for energy savings as well as a boost mode for quick heating. The Entice models are linear wall-hung fireplaces that can be either recessed or flush-mounted on the wall. They are available in 5 sizes from 36 to 72 inches and offer 10 flame colors and 10 ember bed colors as well as a full-function remote control for convenience. The CLEARion models are 2-sided fireplaces that are installed in a wall and can be viewed from both rooms. They are available in either 50 or 60-inch sizes. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.